king for dream. King wey wear crown. King. Not be say na kwekwe man o. King I dey do marriage with for king. I don do marriage 3 times for dream with king. That is why I no dey with man today. No be the man fault. No be anybody fault if I no dey with man. Everything is my fault. And they say my mother is the cause of my problem. My mother beg, pikin harder for my time. Then he go to river, go and beg for a child. The river can't give my mother pikin, and he can't be saying na me. My mother know, but he no wan tell me. You understand? I be waiting they disturb me. I come from river. I be river pikin. I be mami water. I dey see myself for river. I dey swim. I dey see myself dey do marriage with fish. I dey see myself I go dey swim. Any problem when I have for physical is not my fault. The white people fault. Everything come from my spiritual man, because he don't want me to marry. If any man to plan to marry me, the man go have problem. If any man they plan to marry me, we go start having problem. Either me hate the man or the man hates me. Or one thing must come across. The man go say, no, I don't need this kind of woman again. Or me go say, I don't need this man again. I don't know. So that is why I do live video. I talk and say, I know they bring man come media. Because I know say no be man be my problem. No be woman be my problem. The cause is from my generation. The cause is what my mother requests for. That they give her a child. If my mother go river, go beg, say you need pikin. And river give her the pikin. But my mother now, he can't change. He can't be pastor. He no can follow. The person wey don't go river, go beg for pikin. And river give her pikin. Later, the woman turn to pastor. He now do prayer. He now cast the mami water wey he give her pikin. He just like me. Now if I do prayer, yesterday I do prayer finish. I cast the ogba eje, I cast the mami water. For dream now, they can't press me. They can't warn me. They can't tell me, say, where you come from, you they cast them. You know go feel wrong. So what do you want me to do? Every problem when I have to, they not be mad. If anything want happen, I they know. If person want die tomorrow, I they know. Before anything will happen to me, when I cry, come on, they take my pikin, so I know. Before this woman will take my pikin, so I know say you won't take my pikin. The first day you come my house, I tell the woman, I say, you are here for my children. You want to take my children. The woman deny, say, no, no, no. Anything when they want happen, I they know. If something want happen tomorrow, I they know. Because my spiritual husband, when I married to na king, I mean a queen forever. So anything when want happen, I they know. The man, they review it to me, and they bless me with words, whatever I need, that is here. But he no gree my marry for this word. He no gree. And if they make me, they have trouble. By the time they plan to marry, I go start to they have temptation. By the time they plan to marry, to settle that, I go they have problem. So I notice those things. That make I they pause, I they run from man. Not because I don't like to be with a man. But I notice it that anytime I come closer to man, I want to settle down. I go come have problem. Problem will be say sometimes I will come they cry. The man, because I do marriage 3 times for inside water with a king. The person they dress like a king. I go marry, I go they see water, I go they do marriage. This will not be kwe. That is why you people have to pray for very hard for me. If you have any way to help me to cast the demon out of me, because I want to marry for real life. Not be inside river. I they suffer, I they cry, I they lonely. But I married to water, but I know they marry for year. It's disturbing me. I don't like this. And it making me so times, man know they hurt me. I know the lack of man. I know go pass for road, man not toast me. I know anywhere they go, man, they toast me, all eyes on me. If I pass for any road, all man, they like me. All man, they like me, as I tell you, so I get luck for man. And if I leave my boyfriend today, if I have boyfriend today, if I leave her today, tomorrow I go see another man. But I don't go feel married. But the moment that man they plan to marry me, trouble go come. My problem is not from here, it's from river. Because I am married to king of water. But I know that now God, I create river and I create heaven ahead. With that, I will deliver one day. The fault is not from me, it's from my mother, because pikin harder, then he go river. Then later when river don't bless my mother call the call of God. It's just like me. I come from river, but I always pray. Now I make temptation, they come from me. Sometimes when I pray finish, they will come remind me of where I come from. They will come tell me, say, you when they pray, they pray, they pray. You don't know where you belong. Somebody go to tell me for dream, and they say, when I sleep, a person go to tell me, say, you just they pray, you they cast us, Abi. You they cast us, Abi, we are coming from you. Before I will know, the next day problem will start to dey happen to me. Temptation will they come. If I get boyfriend, we go quarrel. I don't go know how we go take quarrel. They will cause confusion. Come. They don't do many things for me to frustrate, but because I'm a strong person, and God love me so much. God love me, the river love me. So two people they fight for me. God they fight for me, and river they fight for me. So one person won't get me. But I want the world to have me. Because I don't want to die. Because if I agree for the river side, it means I go die. And if I die, I will go to sea and go and meet my husband that I'm married to. The world will miss me. The world is going to cry for me. And my children is going to miss me. I want to be in this world. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I don't want spiritual husband. I want physical husband. As I'm talking to you, so I did see the man. And the spirit, he dey show me himself as I dey here. So he dey show me who I be. I know who I be. I'm a fish. I used to swim for water. I used to change to fish. Don't be saying that. If you go by detail, you will see my tattoo when I write for body. I don't even know how I take write that tattoo. I don't reach where they draw tattoo. I tell them to draw me tattoo. I say I want a fish. Now me draw by myself. They draw the tattoo for me. But I don't know say now my email I draw. I don't know say now the way I dey be for water now I draw. But later when I dey see dream, I dey dream. I dey see the tattoo when I draw for body. And I was like that I be for water. The same shirt, the same fish, everything. I can't say, what is going on? If anything will happen tomorrow, I go no. It's not maybe because I'm a spiritual person, but I be person when they pray. He go they cast them, then they give me luck, then they give me anything, nothing when they had me. I know they cry for money. Even though I don't see money today, tomorrow I must see. I know the lack of man, I know the lack of anything I need, that they have it. I have everything. But those who are not, they make me they happy. You understand? I still need more. I need to be with a man. I need to settle down. I need to move on with my man. But they don't agree for that. Can I be like this all my life? Please, you people should help me to pray. Pray for me. Pray for me. Pray for me. May they not come take me go. I don't want to go. I love this world so much. You go see everything when they happen to me, so not be honoring hand. It's a spiritual thing. Because I belong to my spirit. And I see myself turn to fish. And I see. You people should pray for me. In any how you can pray for me. Oh. Before I come lost to my sister calling me, this is not the right time for you to call me. Don't distract me, please. Don't call me again. He will be a strong man. Any man will marry me. That man will not be a weak man. He must be a strong man. He must be a strong man, because if he's not strong, he know if he marry me. Only a strong man will marry me. With me. He's only mad and strong. Because that my spiritual man, when I don't marry for water, he go do anything by anything for me and man to not be together. Because I am married. He do marriage with me for river. With 3 times I have married for water. I do my marriage. My father did there. My mother did there. And they see my mother and my father did marriage. My husband, they plait my hair. He wear me crown. He said have crown. He have everything. Then I tell my father on phone, say I am married to King. My father not tell me anything. But later, my father they tell me and say, hey, that king when you they married to, is not for real. It's not for play. It's not a form. The same thing my mother tell me. The same thing everybody tell me. The same thing the whole world tell me. A lot of people know who I be. Please, I'm begging you. Mommy water is real. It's not a fake. It's real. But I don't want to lose this world. Because the condition I have now, I don't know where they are taking me to. I don't want that. The man don't want to lose me. You want to grab me. God love me and spiritual love me. So both of them are fighting to have me. And me, I love this world and I love God. I want to go to God's side if I will be. Please, you people should help me and pray for me. Share my video. May it reach pastors where it's strong. Where believe God. Where they serve true God. May they help me pray. May they deliver me. And make me to stay in this world. I have come across so many trouble. But I don't know say that my mommy was all those of my spiritual husband. Now they cause this. I want to marry. I want to be with a man. I want to have happy home. No spiritual husband. I don't want to sleep and be married for dream. To be with another man in the dream. Then physical, I cannot have a man. I don't need all this again. I'm tired. Please help me to pray. You people should. Sometimes I hate man. Man don't do me anything. I go to pursue him. He don't do me nothing. I go just run. Sometimes I go just block my number. If he call me 2 times, I go block him. I go say I don't want to see him again. And if I block this man, tomorrow I go see another man again. Next tomorrow I go see. He go toast me. I go say no, I don't want. And they select. And they block them. I know they like man. And they hate man. I don't know why. Because of the spiritual husband. Which person go to live for life? You don't have happiness. Man is happiness. A man that will join you to take care of your children. Without that, the spiritual husband know what they pass through for life. He think he give me wealth, he give me money, he give me happiness, he give me anything I need. I always see it. But he never complete without a man on there for my corner. Without he make me to see a man today, then we break up tomorrow. Then without he see me with a man, then I started hating that man. Or that man started hating me. This is not good gift. Please, help me to beg. Help me to beg God. May God forgive my mother that go to beg for me. I want to, the power when I get for water, I want me to follow me come the life. Man, they use and they help people. But I don't say the mommy water they help me because if anything will come happen, I they know. I only that way they give me. But when the thing won't happen, they give me power for me to come over that thing. But he always open up for me, say something won't happen. Something good is coming. He always show it to me, but I know they have power. Say I'll come have power, I'll come. If they make me, they do many things. If they make me, I think give somebody water. If person they sick now, I give my water, sometimes it will heal. It give me all those power, all those blessings. But it don't give me what I want finish. The happiness of the world is man. Without man, you don't have man. When they say you are in your life not complete. Without a man, woman cannot be completed. I must tell you the truth. Even lesbian self knows the truth. Please help me to beg God to forgive my mother. And I want to be free. That is why I cry hard. I want to be free. That is why I tell pastor should pray for me. My problem is not from anybody. It's from my spiritual way. Because my mother go to river and beg for me. And he see me now, he didn't go. What he have promised the river, they go give them. If he promise the river cow, fowl, chicken, they go give them. Because my mother not going God way. He not forget what he promised. But now the thing not there upon me now. So they now want to destroy my life now. Please, I'm begging you for you to pray because mommy water is real. It's not a fake. It's real. They exist. Sometimes people take it like a form. It's not a form. There are spiritual people that exist in this world that behaving like a human. Sometimes their life things are maybe difficult for them. They will not know where they came from.